Advantages of digital signals. Digital signals can now be sampled frequently enough for extremely accurate transmission. However, for music, some argue that it does not capture the full richness and complexity of analog transmission. Despite this objection, there are significant advantages to digital signals. The main advantage of digital signals over analog signals for long distance transmission is that noise interference has less impact on digital transmission. The quality of any signal decreases the farther it travels due to the increasing interference of one unwanted noise on the signal. However, digital signals are less susceptible to distortion over long distances because they use a discrete on-off code that is clearer to read. It is easier to interpret an on-off signal that has some noise in it than an analog signal, as shown in the following diagrams. So you can see for the diagram there, here's your digital that's nice and flowing, where your analog is kind of stops and breaks apart there. Another advantage of digital over analog relates to the formats used for the recordings. Digital recordings, such as those stored on a computer, tend to last much longer than analog recordings, such as vinyl music records. Analog recordings use physical parts to transmit data, and physical parts can wear out. For instance, a record player depends on a needle to convert the information on the recording back into sound. Over time, the friction between the needle and the vinyl record wears down the grooves in the record, which lowers the quality of the sound. Digital recordings use electronic parts like lasers that do not degrade over time. Another key advantage is that digital recordings can be reproduced at the same quality as the original. As a result of these advantages, digital technology has become the preferred method for transmitting and storing information. Digital technology has exploded since the early 1990s. Now, nearly all transmissions are digital.